how the science standards and the scientific process can benefit the other disciplines. Have you all had any any uh, any conversations with teachers around integrating and pulling in other disciplines as well?
I have, and I was talking to some teachers who, like me, have been around for a while, and um, there was a middle school teacher who recalled teaching with the University of Alabama's integrated science program, which was really popular in the mid 1990s, and that program had thematic units that would cut across disciplines of science, like cycles or waves, and it often brought in the places that were related to science. So there was a lot of social studies um, involved as well. And I think that that is appealing particularly to elementary teachers and maybe to a lesser degree middle school teachers. In some middle schools, there's a lot of integration that goes on, and in others, the teachers are fairly isolated in their discipline. But this certainly opens the door for them to collaborate with other disciplines and think about what kids are reading. In a recently in a seventh grade classroom, the science teacher had asked the reading teacher to work with her, and the reading teacher had the students reading an ecological mystery, who really killed Cock Robin by Jean Craighead George, and then the students in the science class were studying the ecosystem, and it was a powerful collaboration. So I think these new standards open those types of opportunities for our teachers and students, and also kind of, for me, reminds me that we're not throwing out everything that we've already done and all of the good resources that we have. We're looking at them perhaps in a new way and putting them together in ways that we might not have before.
Yeah, we've heard that teachers and students find education more coherent and, I guess, time efficient if there are some connections made between the different disciplines. So one of the things that we did was make sure that the writers put in connections between the Common Core State Standards for Math and ELA and the NGSS, and make sure they're all aligned. We're also, one of the current projects is to bring together some of the teachers who are on the NGSS writing team with some math teachers to start to think about what would example basically assessment tasks look like if you had math and science integrated together. So you could use a lot of math and actually meet the Common Core State Standards for Math in a science class, and vice versa when you use the science as the application of math. So it's very interesting, and the teachers seem to really enjoy that kind of collaboration, working together on creating these model tasks. And they really get a lot out of it, and they tell us that they wish they could teach this way all the time with that kind of integration.